And the way that you relate two concepts in a way that a search engine can understand is Booleans. If you've ever done any computer programming, this should be very familiar to you. Booleans are a way to relate two ideas. And I've made a helpful little graphic here to show you how. And so if you wanted to search for like recidivism rates and juvenile crime, you want to look at recidivism rates, but you don't want to look at adult recidivism rates. You want juvenile recidivism rates, which is a very small, which is a smaller subset of that. So you would say recidivism and juvenile crime. It gives you only things that include both. So it's, as you see here, it's kind of giving you that smaller subset. If you wanted to look at artificial intelligence and machine learning, cast a very broad net for everything about AI, you would use OR. So the OR gives you everything. If it has either one of those terms, it's going to dump it in the box for you. And this one on the side with the unusual color, that's not. That one's kind of interesting. You can, it's kind of like AND, but not. You take your initial data set. Let's say you wanted to look at retention rates at colleges, but only four-year institutions and other things like that. You could say like retention rates, not community college. And it'll take the retention rates and it'll take everything with community college and it'll knock it out like a hole punch. So in that one, the blue section has got that cut out for the green.